So my name is Bradley Annett and I'm the drummer for Alchemy. I've been playing drums for around 3 years now. I've been with Alchemy for just over a year now as well. We've been gigging all around the country, releasing singles, doing pretty well. We've got over 30,000 streams on Spotify. So I use Collision 5A drumsticks. I really like these sticks because they're really well weighted. They're very, very strong and durable. I still haven't broke a pair yet. And the quality is just brilliant. They're absolutely great. So yeah, the song that I'm going to be playing today is our song River, which we released a couple of months ago now. So yeah.
Go down to the river. That's what she said. We can talk for hours and hours, except it's all in my head. Let's go watch the sunset as you tell me. I look right for a guy. Too bad it's all just a dream. And you got you right. But doubt it'll work. It might. Let's go have a drink though. Come out with me, yeah. We can go wherever you want to, in my big reality. Tell me, how has your week been? Tell me everything. Oh, I'll just sit here and listen to you, like you've been listening to me. And you got you right. But doubt it'll work. It might. As she goes walking by, she doesn't even notice my eye. As she goes walking by, she doesn't even notice my eye. As she goes walking by, she doesn't even notice my eye. As she goes walking by, she doesn't even. And